There's a show I've been obsessed with called Ted Lasso on Apple TV. I don't know if you guys seen it, but there is a recurring biscuit coming into the show. So today, because I'm watching the series, I feel like how about we recreate the shortbread cookie from Ted Lasso. Obviously, I don't have the recipe, so it's going to be mine, and I hope that I will make him proud.
Do us proud.
This video is sponsored by Apple TV. No, I'm just kidding. We're not there yet. Anyway, 2 things remain to be done for us to get cooking and for you to subscribe. Let's go.
All we need for this recipe is some butter, some flour, some vanilla, sugar, and salt. That is it. So we're gonna start by taking the butter and we're gonna place it in our mixer with a paddle attachment, and we're gonna start mixing it so we start to cream it. I will also add the vanilla and we're gonna let it go for about 3 to 4 minutes or until completely smooth. At which point I'm going to add the sugar as well as the salt, and we again going to mix it until it's fully incorporated. Once we're happy with that step, I'm gonna move on to the flour. So we want to slow down so the flour doesn't go everywhere. We're gonna add all the flour and I'm gonna mix it until it's almost fully incorporated. I kind of like to finish it on the bench. I never like to overwork my dough. So I'm gonna place it on the bench. As I said, I'm gonna scrape it off the paddle as well as from the bowl. And I'm gonna use my dough scraper and I'm gonna mix the dough until everything is fully combined. Not overwork it, just make sure it's a nice smooth bowl of dough. Then I'm gonna grab my tray as well as some parchment paper that are cut in the angle, so when you actually place it down, it's going to absorb the shape and be absolutely perfect. You can also use some of the dough to put underneath, so that way the parchment paper is sticking perfectly. That's a little trick that we use. After that, I'm gonna grab a spatula and we're gonna smooth the dough across. Make sure it's actually even, so that way it's gonna bake perfectly and your cookie will be the same size and shape all across. Just like so. Then I'm just gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and we're gonna leave it in the fridge for about an hour so it's nice and firm, and that's actually super important. So please do as I tell you to. 1 hour later. And now I'm going to place it in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. And then we'll wait until it's perfect. Just like so. You want to make sure it's actually golden brown on the top. It's a good way. And make sure you can just use a knife and put it through. And if it comes out clean, it's ready. You can cut it to any shape or size you want. I'm just trying to imitate exactly the same as the biscuit from the show. You could also pre-roll them and make them round like a log, like whichever way you want. And now I'm just gonna add some icing sugar just before we try them, and I can't wait for that.
And here we have it. I already tried it, and let me tell you, it's absolutely incredible. I hope I made Ted proud. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. The recipe will be in the description below. I will see you soon, and if you allow me, I'm going to try it.
Fuck me.
Just melt in your mouth. Perfect. Football is life.